How to print from Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily print your designs from Canva. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and make sure that you log into your Canva. Once you land on your homepage, you just want to open the design that you want to print. And if you want to print a PowerPoint presentation or if it's just a PDF, then the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open it up. Once you do so, you'll have an option on the top right corner. So you'll just have to tap on this share option. And once you do that, you can directly download from here, or if you don't see it, you can tap on see all, and if you scroll down, you'll find an option to download from here. So once you download this, all you have to do is open it up. You can also select a certain things that you want to download, but I'm just going to download this whole thing. And once you do that, you should be able to, I'm just going to include the first page. And once you do that, you can just tap on done. You can also choose PDF as your file type. And once you do that, just tap on done. So once the download is complete, all you have to do is head over to your download and open it up. And here on the top right, you'll find this print icon, or you can just press Ctrl+P and it will open up the printing preview. Now, if your printer is connected, then you can just choose it and tap on print and get a print out of it. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.